Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the theme on the Jnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to set the theme of the app, just click the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and in the left bar you can find the third button, the theme. Click that, and here you can find the classic or the night option. Sorry, I clicked that, and here you can set the theme skin or the eye care option. You can find different options. Actually, I want to use the classic, but if you want to select the second, the night mode, just click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.